First, let's work on the pronunciation. GR sounds like in the words green and gray. And the letter A has the A sound, like in the words name, wave, and cave. Say the word after me. Grave. One meaning for the word grave is a place where an individual dead person is buried. An area with many graves can be called a graveyard or a cemetery. And the stone that marks a grave can be called a tombstone. The word grave can also be an adjective, describing something that's very serious, often with a connotation of sad or dangerous. For example, her injuries are very grave. This means her injuries are very serious, and she could die or have long-term problems from them. Another example is, he had a grave expression on his face. Again, it refers to a very serious and somewhat sad expression. There's an idiom, dig your own grave. This means to do something stupid that will make you responsible for your own destruction or disaster. For example, if your friend was expelled from school for dishonesty, you could say, well, he dug his own grave when he cheated on the test and then lied about it. This means he did the actions, cheating on the test and lying, that resulted in his own problem or his own disaster, so he dug his own grave.